This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 5th of March. I'm Michael Groff. Just another beautiful day here in the valley. Temperatures close to seasonal averages, some passing clouds. We'll see more or less the same thing for tomorrow, albeit with an increase in clouds. Then a chance at some rain in here along with cooler temperatures on Thursday. We'll talk about where, when, and how much rain there could be, along with the weather for the weekend and everything else going on too as we dive on in here. First, we'll check that almanac from yesterday. 75 degrees the afternoon high. 53 was the morning low, very close to those averages of 75 and 52. Outside now here at 11:45 a.m., some high clouds around, 66 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points 34, humidity 30%, a calm wind. The barometer is steady. Upper level weather pattern across the nation right now shows a mainly dry westerly flow around here. There are a few clouds streaming on through that. We'll see an increase in clouds tomorrow thanks to a trough that is developing to the north and west of us, and that will swing in here on Thursday. Got a wave out there and some action in the Gulf of Mexico along the Gulf Coast. But all in all, things are relatively quiet. And of course, we've got the watch warning map. Some winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories well to the north of us across the Pacific Northwest and heading on into the Treasure Valley of Idaho. Some snowflakes flying up there. Convective outlook for today. We do have the marginal risk of severe storms once again for places like New Orleans, Lake Charles, Shreveport up to Little Rock, and for much of Central and South Florida today. And here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, generally under 1/10 of an inch, just a little bit more than that to the north of us over the higher terrain of central and eastern Arizona. And we'll talk about what's going on with this weather pattern in more detail. To do that, we check the models. And here we go, taking a look. This is the GFS. It's the 12Z run. This is valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Troughing over western Canada, well to the north of us. Another system off the west coast headed our way, but a dry westerly flow for us today. What it means down at the surface for the rest of this afternoon, partly cloudy sky. High temperatures this afternoon should top out in the mid-70s. Just a gorgeous day. Tonight, partly cloudy, overnight lows, mid-40s to mid-50s. And then tomorrow, again, partly cloudy. We've got some rain coming at us from the west across California. Up into the Sierra, some more snow. But all in all, it looks pretty nice for us tomorrow with high temperatures once again sitting in the mid-70s. All right, let's go to Thursday. This trough comes on in here, and it does appear now that this may have a little bit more moisture than initially thought. So we'll see partly to mostly cloudy sky for the day on Thursday and a chance of showers coming through here. Now, this is still not going to be a big, widespread, significant rain event, but some scattered showers around, keyword scattered, and any rain that falls will still generally be on the light side. This is not going to be a washout kind of a situation, but still, if you do have some outdoor activities planned, you're heading out someplace, might want to bring that umbrella just in case. It will be breezy and cooler too, with that 30% chance of rain in Phoenix. High temperatures, I'd say mid to upper 60s for the day on Thursday. By Friday, that moves on out of here. Still a few showers across eastern Arizona over the rim country. Otherwise, a light breeze, beautiful day. Highs probably still somewhere in the upper 60s and low 70s heading into the weekend. We're back in the mid-70s, maybe upper 70s on Saturday. And then Sunday, highs could very well climb into the low 80s with mostly sunny sky. And then going into next week, low to mid-80s on Monday. Yeah, starting to feel more like spring out there. But all the while, the sky remains sunny to mostly sunny, the air mass dry. A week from today, this is Tuesday the 12th, still looks pretty dry with a westerly to northwesterly flow. And temperatures may back off a few degrees, but overall, still not bad, close to average. Going out 10 days, this is Thursday the 14th, and the GFS shows a fairly broad ridge building in across the west, 582 ridge out there. And if that's right, temperatures are warming up, and we would probably be up in the 80s if that verifies with dry conditions. Checking out rainfall for Phoenix. This goes out through the 19th of March off of the GFS ensemble. The mean is under 1/4 of an inch. European ensemble, same thing. The mean about 1/4 of an inch. The control member here is up about 1.5 inches. But overall, we're not expecting significant rainfall anytime soon. And temperatures off the national blend of models. Yes, we are cooler by the time we get toward later this week. Highs dropping into the 60s, but then look what happens. To go toward next week, highs get back toward the 80s. It's starting to feel like spring around here. Not too many days left probably with highs in the 60s, at least until the fall. And that is going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is due back here tomorrow morning. Should you happen to enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. If you really like what we do here, you want to thank us monetarily, show your appreciation that way, you can click that thanks icon below the video here on YouTube. And the executive producer of the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion is my one and only, the sweetest of all time, the Asian sensation and proprietor of sweetchildaz.com.org and the Facebook page of the same name, Sweet Child Arizona, talking about my Michelle. Check her out. Check out her other videos, her travel videos, and all that. I have it all linked up down in the description. Also, I encourage you to check out our streaming station. It is called KMGX. We play a ton of music over there. We have a lot of fun with that. And so give that a listen as well. Again, it's all linked up in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, all of your continued support. It is so greatly appreciated. Please be safe out there and have yourselves a delightful rest of your Tuesday.